easy method how to download Fortnite on PC in 2024. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to download Fortnite on PC using an easy method. Step number 1. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your PC. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you like. Step number 2. Go to the official Fortnite website. Type Fortnite into the search bar or directly enter the URL https://fortnite/en-us/home in the address bar to visit the official Fortnite website. Step number 3. Navigate to the download section. Once you are on the Fortnite website, look for the download section. This is usually located at the top of the page or prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the download button. Step number 4. Choose your platform. Fortnite is available on multiple platforms including PC, so make sure you select the option for PC. Click on the PC icon or select PC or Mac from the available options. Step number 5. Sign in or create an Epic Games account if you already have an Epic Games account. Sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create your account. Make sure to verify your email address if prompted. Step number 6. Download the Epic Games Launcher. Once you are signed in or have created your account, you will need to download the Epic Games Launcher. This is the platform through which you will install and launch Fortnite. Click on the Download Epic Games Launcher button. Step number 7. Install the Epic Games Launcher once the Epic Games Launcher file has finished downloading. Locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever you save it. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher on your PC. Step number 8. Open the Epic Games Launcher after the installation is complete. Launch the Epic Games Launcher. You may find a shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Double-click on the shortcut to open the launcher. Step number 9. Sign in to the Epic Games Launcher if you are not already signed in. Enter your Epic Games account credentials to log in. Step number 10. Search for Fortnite. Once you are logged into the Epic Games Launcher, use the search bar at the top right corner of the screen to search for Fortnite. Press enter or click on the magnifying glass icon to initiate the search. Step number 11. Download Fortnite after you have found Fortnite in the search results. Click on it to view more details. You should see an option to download the game. Click on the download button and the launcher will start downloading and installing Fortnite on your PC. Step number 12. Launch Fortnite. Once the download and installation process is complete, you can launch Fortnite directly from the Epic Games Launcher. Look for the Fortnite icon in your library or on the launcher's home screen and click on it to start playing. That's it! You have successfully downloaded and installed Fortnite on your PC using an easy method. Enjoy playing the game. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below for more awesome content. Remember, the adventure doesn't end here. Join our community by clicking the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload a new video. And allow me to share this quotation to you. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. And as always, keep exploring, keep creating, and never stop dreaming.